another video out of the car meets, yo. Hey, it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm with my boy Chris. Hey, look, you can really
shout out that boy Zulek.
Shout out to me. You feel me? Hey, hold on. Let me show y'all what the fuck going on, bro.
Now, I'm so glad you put your side skirts on though, dog. They look so much better than mine because they're just flat, like.
Oh yeah, bro. I like
that shit.
I like how it pops out some more, but I wanted the one that. Yeah.
Nah, I don't like that shit.
I wanted the one that's flat and then it curves up.
Sexy, bro.
That's what I wanted, bro.
You did it the right way, bro.
But look, this Q, like, bro, I don't know, something with carbon fiber, like the real carbon fiber.
Yeah, it is.
The definition of it.
That's just that and the spoiler. That's the only thing that's.
That shit's sexy, bro. With my own, I like it. What I'm gonna do is I might just get the forged carbon, like I might get the forged wrap.
That shit is tough.
I'm gonna get the forged wrap. Yeah.
Nobody's doing shit like that.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Or honeycomb.
Yeah, honeycomb or forged.
Honeycomb would be dope.
And I'm gonna wrap it, bro.
Yeah. What color?
I don't know what color. I want to do like a sea green. It's gonna be like that, but a bit lighter.
Yeah, that's just tough. I like that color. Yeah.
hey, she get the props. She get the props for us, do yo. But yeah, hey, this clean.
Appreciate you, bro.
Hey, y'all gotta check out his channel and stuff, bro. Y'all gotta follow him. He making good content and everything. Man, doing stuff big, yo. Woo! Hey, look. It's a clean ass lineup out here, guys. It's crazy out here. All right, guys, look, check this out. We're looking at the S4. S4. Woo! Hold on. Pause real quick. Q60 right here coming with the nice ass undergo. Yeah, hey, they all outside today, guys. They all outside today. This one right here is clean, boy.
Red, bro.
Not gonna lie, it's lit today. It's lit today. Back to the interior. Nice carbon fiber, custom wheel, red interior. That ass is right, boy. Sheesh. Got the Jag right here. Y'all go ahead and follow my Instagram. The interior is clean as fuck, bro. Not gonna lie.
He had a stinger before this.
Like giving you guys the best content, and we do it big here, guys. Check this out. Yeah, shout out Chris. You feel me?
Yeah, bro, that's nice. I like that. You like flying over speed bumps, huh?
Yeah, he gonna pop the hood. Check this out, guys.
And Audi's got the fucking hydraulic fucking. Oh yeah,
This is a light car.
You went crazy. Yeah, that shit is super light. How much? It's like 2,500. How heavy is it?
They over right here on the bike.
How the fuck?
The element's air stroke. Put your hand right here.
That drive train is a lot, bro.
The element's air moves.
Yeah.
That's your fan. That's my race. So when I have it in race time mode, the water pump's moving for this.
Yo, they got some crazy cars, man, yo.
I like that.
Next car right here.
The ability to like literally sit up and fucking
Do that for real.
nobody can do that, bro. That's the one on the nitrous. Man, that boy got it.
Yes, sir. Here's my dog Chris. Here's my dog Jalen. We got the BMW right here. Gotta get the big turbo on it. Jalen. Yeah. He gonna start YouTube too. And then Jalen girl car.
Bro.
Yes, sir. Out here at the car meet. Hey, check this out, guys. We got an Evo right here. Clean color, y'all. Look at the fitment on the wheels, guys. Bro, I cannot make this up, bro. Got the hood, carbon fiber hood. Authentic carbon fiber look. That's clean, bro. It's not getting no better than this. Got the tag right here. Look, attention to fucking detail, yo. Attention to detail. Shout out to bro, y'all follow him. GTS Turbo, y'all look at the inside. Woo! The interior clean, yo. Got the fire hydrant. Fire extinguisher.
You be coming though?
Yo, this is crazy.
I can fuck with it.
That's crazy. What size these is?
They look like 19.
These 19s?
You can see though. You can
These
see
18s?
18. You can see right there.
18.
Wait, you said how wide are they?
Look, attention to fucking detail. Woo! Look at the tail lights. Yo, this just sits nice, guys. Woo! This is clean. It's clean.
Damn.
Hey, bro, this straight pipe.
You said straight pipe? 3 inch, nigga?
3-inch straight pipe. Oh, pop the hood. Yo, this man got a crazy setup, guys. Bro, look, cannot make this shit up, yo.
Hey,
Sheesh.
hey, y'all twinning, big dog. You got the white one.
Oh yeah. He's the one I just popped in with the white gear. Yeah. You already know, man. That's my fin right there. You know what I'm saying? Going crazy, yeah. I just put the side skirts, the lip. You know how we do, bro. We got a whole lot of Qs out here, bro. Q community growing. More people rolling in. Hey man, appreciate it for letting us check out the car, bro. No problem, bro. Oh yeah, cause you be mad. This is clean. This owner not here at their car right now, but look, sweet life. Sheesh. What happened? This right here got the nice carbon fiber trunk. What's this?
I like this.
Woo, I don't even know what they're rocking on here. 19s. They're rocking 19s on this. Nice, authentic carbon fiber hood. It's wild out here, guys. And look, guys, we got a nice Kia. Oh, it's his car?
I like the underglow.
Yeah, it's got nice underglow. Hey, what's going on? Whose car?
Sis.
Your car, bro? This car's dope, bro.
Thanks.
What mods you got to it?
Just intake, exhaust, intercooler.
Intake, exhaust, and intercooler. Yeah, this is clean, bro. I love the underglow and everything. You guys follow him, K5 Mason. Yeah, I like everything.
Too, bro.
This is dope, yo. It's dope. Nice setup. I promise you. Wheel fitment's nice as well. That's crazy. Sheesh.
I like this shit.
On to the next one. Nice seeing you guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Damn, all these ZR30s out here, dog.
Yo,
What we got?
a lot of Qs out here, yo. They stocked right now, but not for long.
No, not for long.
Yeah, a silver sport right here.
See how much more your lip make a difference, bro?
Yeah, bro, it makes. Yeah, hitting nice drifts and donuts, yo. Yay! There go one of the cats.
I'm fucking with it.
Oh yeah! Got a nice truck right here. Damn!
No, you missing the one I just saw. It was white.
Hey, what is this?
It's a B18 Block B16.
Woo! Pop the hood. Okay. Hey, look, bro, this shit clean, yo.
Damn, that turbo, fam.
This shit clean, yo.
Yo. That turbo go crazy, bro.
Turbo go crazy,
That
yo.
shit exit, bro.
Huge ass intercooler. Yeah, bro, this shit's nice. Oh, blow off. Got the blow off valves, HKS. How much you think you're running? You want horsepower?
525. Boost back here.
Damn. That is pushing, bro. Nice ass fitment right there, too.
You air to air?
Sheesh.
You air to air?
Yeah, the air in the cool. Most definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
Looks like it. That's clean, bro. In the back right here. Yo, this is insane, yo. Hey, thanks, you guys. Let's go ahead and look at some more right here. Yeah, I see it. You about to leave us up a little bit?
Yeah, I'm waiting for my boy Christian.
BMW right here.
I would have been
Woo! Hey guys, look, the cars out here is clean, yo. Cars out here pretty clean, yo.
What you want?
Yeah, I know. She want what she want, bro. She want a Hellcat, bro. Yeah. She don't know we beat those though.
Okay.
She don't know we beat those though. These right here, guys. Guys, we're out here. Hey guys, it's crazy.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Crazy right here. Quick interior right here. Nice ass interior, guys. 392. Hey, I'll fold your shit right now, homeboy. Hey, clean, bro. Clean. Euphoria. Hey, I like how they put the X right here on the diffuser. This diffuser is clean.
I said Helen Keller taught me how to drive.
What's that away?
Helen Keller taught me how to drive.
Hey, she says Helen Keller taught me how to drive. Assholes live forever. I'm about to get one of those stickers, yo. Those clean. Hey, y'all follow Drift Slat. Crazy.
That's funny. I thought you was just saying this shit. I didn't.
Yeah, another VR30 right here, bro. Clean. Clean. Y'all follow URL right here, bro. The wheel fitment. Fucking excellent, yo.
It's nice. I like that. I like when the wheels.
Side skirts. Hey, I look cute. I wanted my Canard to be like this.
That's nice. I like that.
Yo.
One of the wheels in the middle.
It's more out.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm saying. Oh, yeah. You put the
I'm gonna upgrade it to this, so.
I feel like folks will step on it. Like,
Nah, they're not. I'm gonna change it to this one though.
you got some dumb ass friends.
And then when I'm bigger bumps, I go sideways. And then I do scratch a little bit.
You scrape a little bit. All right, man.
Oh, they doing a burnout over there.
Burnout.
That's good ass content here. Guys, right here with the 392. This wrap right here is crazy as well. Woo, with the Subi boy. Put the steering wheel right here in the middle. They ain't driving right now, but guess
Get
what?
all that stuff for the side of your car. 392. That's it, basically.
Woo. Wait, let me see if I got. Hey, this one's for sale. Yeah. That's clean, bro. The LED badge on the back. Guys, look at this, guys. It's like, it's bold. I'm not gonna lie. It's bold, but it's clean.
But like from here, it's like perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
When you get up on it, it's like, okay.
Speed culture on the side, okay.
I want to know who the fuck shit this. That shit
Yeah, that shit pretty clean, yo. What is he running on these? I don't know what size fitment to get my wheels, bro.
I like that.
LED logo.
I can't see this way.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. Your car is sitting low. Yeah. Yo. Your car is sitting low. That ass though, bro.
I know. I know.
That was something about the Audi. He said he was gonna pull off. That was his car.
Oh yeah, he said he's gonna pull off, make it loud over here.
All right, my nigga, I'm about to head out.
Boy, what's his name?
Cosmo.
Cosmo. How's it going, Cosmo? You're not gonna bite me, are you?
What are we supposed to ask?
Hey.
Can I pet him? Can I pet him?
She wanna pet him?
Boy, he's so pretty. Such a pretty color.
Everything exotic out here, yo.
Shit, we roll.
This right here is crazy, yo. Nice wrap.
Yeah, no, it's looking crazy.
Be careful with these.
Damn.
Sheesh. Carbon fiber sides. The wheel fitment's crazy. That's crazy, yo. Speed limits. You guys go ahead and follow Sebastian. Q60. The rear look crazy. Yeah, guys, it's clean. You mind if I video record the inside, bro?
Hey, Sebastian, that's Sulek.
The interior is clean. Yeah. That's my dog right here, and then I'm friends with Jalen too. Yeah, it's clean right here.
Thank you, bro.
What other mods you got, bro?
You have the stage 3 dual fuel pump.
So you gonna do the
Dual fuel pump.
Downpipes, full exhaust, injectors.
Yeah, bro, that's clean. I got a Q50, bro. I want to do so much too. I want to do starlight roof, side mirrors.
So you know, I got a fuel pump I got the low pressure fuel pump.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
Bro, I might cop that too, bro. Yeah, flex fuel. Yo, the color is amazing, bro. The wrap.
Thank you.
I actually first seen the car on Instagram. I was like, yo, who's this? James was like, yo, that's my dog, bro.
And it glows in the dark.
It glows in the dark?
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, it goes in the dark. Hey, the rear diffuser is crazy. Woo! Another Q50 just pulled up, yo. Woo! Nice ass underglow, yo. Honeycomb side mirrors. Guys, look at the side skirts, the fitment, the underglow. Yeah, guys, it's sick. It's sick right here, guys. It's clean too. Blacked out roof. Hey, bro, this car is clean. You mind if I video record the honeycomb on the inside right there, bro? Bro,
I got you.
Man, got the honeycomb on the inside, and this came with the paddle shifters?
Yeah, it's a sport model.
I gotta get some paddle shifters, yo. Honeycomb.
Oh, the honeycomb? No.
Eyelids right here.
Oh, yeah. You got
Headlight
the high
eyelids.
press and shit, yeah.
Sorry.
Do it, bro.
What size wheels you running, bro?
I went
19s?
I got 9.5 and a 22 offset, and I got a 10.5.
That's crazy, bro. And you got I see the inside right there. Yo, shut your Instagram out.
Live is stock Q50.
Live is not Q50. You guys heard it, bro. Go ahead and follow him. Woo! That's nice. It is wild, yo. I'm not gonna lie.
I seen them and I was like, did you take it? The last time I came to
I can't even get no good light.
I seen them and because he Sebastian and Matt, they just do the bag, so I was like, I was with them all day.
Hey, I can't even say this shit too much.
You know it's on the front if I bet you beat it. And the bungee fucking no PT, but I'm walling. Keep letting everybody walking. You know it's on the front. It's on the front if I bet you beat it. And the bungee fucking no PT, but I'm walling. Keep letting everybody walking.
Who's sitting in it? Not me.
It's on the front if I bet you beat it. And the bungee fucking no PT, but I'm walling. Keep letting everybody walking. You know it's on the front.
Just look at the setup in the back, guys. Woo! Clean setup, guys. Beautiful setup, guys.
Oh, I wouldn't want
Street runners, bitch.
That's an insane setup, guys. That's an insane setup, guys. That's insane. Bro, dude, you got an insane setup, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Thank you.
That's crazy. Round 2, we're gonna go ahead and turn it up. People are clearing it. It's almost about that time. Nice R32 right here, guys. Beautiful fitment, guys. You guys follow just the Skyline 561. It's insane, yo. What's up, man? Look at the inside.
Oh, the ref battle? The two-step battle?
Yes, sir. I sold it sadly, so I can't.
You sold it?
Yeah.
Damn, she was flaming though.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll be back out soon.
Nice.
All right, say
This right here is beautiful, guys.
My shit's running like garbage right now.
It's okay, so is mine.
Yeah. You see it? The turbo?
You put that on yourself.
Yeah, one man. Me and Nino.
Not bad.
I put the bigger turbo on.
Damn.
I changed out my coil because I thought it was my coil. Same exact shit. Same exact shit.
No.
Because it's running. It's what do you call it?
Running funky.
Running like shit. Like shit. No power.
Race car problems.
Race car problems. Really.
This is the boys up in Ohio when I was there.
All right, my boy. Appreciate you.
The boys had been
Alright, bro, take it easy.
getting stuck outside of the road.
Alright, hey. Hold on, Chris, about to clear it, guys. It was a good ass day. You know what I'm saying? This is where we're gonna conclude the video. You guys fuck with his channel. Shout your channel out, boy.
Shout out that boy Zulex, man. Zulex999 on Instagram, man.
Shout your channel out, yo.
Yeah, Hot Tie Chris on Instagram. Free Chris on I'm sorry. Free Chris on Instagram. No, yeah, on Instagram. Hot Tie Chris on
Instagram, Hot Tag Chris
I'm
on
an
YouTube.
idiot. I'm an idiot.
Nah, bro. Listen,
Shout out my
bro.
cousin T, man.
Shout out to cousin T.
She about to have a charger, you know. I don't really,
Hey, we gonna go crazy.
still fuck with it.
Hey, they going crazy, yo. But hey, this the VR30 channel. We gonna fuck with the Chargers, you feel me?
Stop playing.
Hey. And we'll catch you guys in the next video, alright? Out.